One last question. So
Yes.
I have seen this a lot. I have personally tried doing it as well. That
Mm-hmm.
you know, these affirmations that we say to ourselves that I can do this, or I am worthy of this, or this sort of positive self-talk. Does it really
Yes.
like help in the long term? Like, I know that, when, for instance, if like I remember that I was in at an interview and I was really panicked, but I said those things to myself in the moment and it worked. So in the moment it does work. I know, saying things like I can do this, I can ace this interview, I've got this, I've done this before, I can
Yes.
do it again. So these things work in that moment, but on a daily basis, when I think of doing it, that ki I'm good enough or I'm worthy, but when there is no pressure on me, i I don't feel like whatever I'm saying, I don't feel like I'm actually being there. So do affirmations really help,
Okay.
or is it just like some
Okay.
sort of
Yes.
scam?
Okay. Okay. No, 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 no. They works wonder. So it's like, okay, I will tell you a real, like, oh, it's going to be again a long answer. Okay. So it's like self affirmation is something like affirming ourselves, right? So like self affirmations can really really help us to break down the negative thoughts we have about ourselves. It's like the moment we get negative thoughts, like अगर negative thoughts हमें इतना destroy कर सकते हैं तो positive thoughts हमारे साथ positive impact भी कर सकते हैं, right? If we
Right,
believe in negativity, then we should also believe in positivity. So
right,
it's like if we have that belief कि like negative beliefs कि like अरे मैं तो ये कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा क्योंकि मैं useless हूँ, okay? और फिर having तो self affirmation doesn't always be, should be like I am good person, I can do this. It can be also like rephrasing the negative thoughts we came in our mind. So let's say the example you gave about you being in an interview, and like you have like something you went wrong and you will like, okay, oh my god, oh my god, am I going to do this, like have like I'm a person like this, I can't even do this, right? So changing the pattern of the sentence can make it a big difference. Okay, so you just like oh, I did make this mistake, oh sorry. Oh shit, I'm a worthless person, I can't do this thing right. So just changing few words of it. Okay, oh, I made a mistake, but it's okay, it is my first time and I'm making this mistake. But it's like it is, I'm being nervous about it, and in nervousness people tend to make mistake. Like you're affirming yourself.
right.
This is also kind of self affirmation. Like
Okay.
you just have to make that negative sentence into positive one. Like it will take a lot of practice for you to like be more like impacts of like, because our brain is like interconnected to each other. So, like the negative beliefs will get interconnected to the thoughts like this. So we just have to change the words, and it will have a positive impact on us. For example, you can try it. Like just make the words positive and general. Like it is okay to make mistakes, and it will have a different impact on you. It will take time, and it will take a lot of time. Not it is going to be like after seventh or eighth attempt you will be used to it. But it is a process. Just be consistent, be and trust the process. It is going to help you. And one more pro tip, like if this is the last question, then I'm going to give a really really good advice, which is like about self affirmation about it. Like you know, I'm going to ask everyone is going to watch this video. Ki whatever you say to yourself, all the negative things in your about yourself, will you be able to say that to your loved ones?
No, obviously not. You can't.
The person you really, really love, can you say the same things you say to yourself every day? Will you able to say that to your loved ones and anyone in your life?
No, I don't think so. I mean, definitely not. No.
It's like we are so harder to ourselves. Like we tend to say this to things to ourselves, which will eventually not even say things to like अपने enemy को भी नहीं बोलेंगे हम लोग. The things we say to ourselves. So it's like people should be try to be little bit like thoda, don't be that hard to yourself. Like try to be little bit ये कि like ठीक है हमारा भी first life as a human है. हम सीखेंगे मिस्टेक से, and human life is all about learning from the mistakes. If we don't make mistakes, how are we going to learn? Okay. Always ask this question whenever you talk bad about yourself. Ask this question: are you going to tell the same thing about this to your loved one? If no, then why are you saying to yourself?
Makes sense.
And one more tip which help you kids, like if have a chotu picture of yourself
Okay.
to your mirror. Okay. छोटू
Okay.
पिक्चर फ्रॉम योर चाइल्डहुड, फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड यू
Okay.
कैन हैव इट, जो तुम छोटा बच्चा होगे वो वाला विच यू रियली रियली लाइक एंड वो आई फील कनेक्टेड टू. So it's like keep that in your mirror, because sometimes negative talks tend to happen when we are standing in front of a mirror. Okay. And our mirror is a direct reflection to our consciousness and unconsciousness. Whatever say we say while looking at the about ourselves in a mirror, it is like it has a really impact on our consciousness and unconsciousness. So have a little picture of yourself and always imagine that you're talking to her when you're talking about yourself. So just imagine, just imagine that you are going to, if you talk bad, you're talking bad about her.
Oh God, this is very emotional to be to be honest.
Yeah. I also, I have my Chotu picture on my mirror. Like, I drastically, my negative talking stopped about myself. Now I think before, like, I just see her picture and I'm like, and my mouth is like, I can't say anything because she is there inside looking at me. And does she deserve to hear that words? She doesn't.
Right.
So automatically it will help with the self-talk, negative self-talks. That is my pro tip.
Wow, this the whole session was like a roller coaster of emotions, and I'm glad that we had this conversation. So thank you so much
Mhm.
for talking so openly about self sabotage and giving us the pro tips. And I'm sure, like, and I hope that this helps people because this is
Yes.
certainly going to be helpful for me. I'm going through something very similar to what we have been talking about, and I I am going to use these little tiny tips. Like I'm already seeking help, and I hope that people do take this into
Yes.
consideration. And yeah, I guess thanks a lot for being here. I hope this was fun for you too.
Yes, it was a lot of fun. Thank you for like keeping so much good questions on the table. Like it should be addressed, but people are not talking about, and you like talked about it, and I am really, really, really proud of you also, like acknowledging your self struggles and emotions and validating your emotions is really, really important. I'm so proud of you for that.